Hello, my name is Sam, and with the all-new variant select element, you can build a product section like this in a matter of minutes. And in this tutorial, I'm going to dive into the ins and outs of this new and exciting feature. We start with a blank canvas, and then we drag in a section from the Velocity Sports and Apparel pack, this one right here, onto the canvas. As you can see on the left, we have a slider element, but I don't want a slider element. I just want a single image. So let's delete this one, and then I will drag in a row, and then within this row, I drag in a image. We can set the width to fill and the height to fill. There we go. Then we go to the layer panel, and then for this entire section, we will connect the right Shopify product. So under content, we can go to Shopify, to source, and here we can select the right product. In this case, it's the low top sneaker. Let's change the order, by the way, because I want this image to be on the left. And now for all the individual content elements, we can set the source to dynamic. So it will show the content coming from your products within Shopify. Let's select the image, go down to content, and then change this from static to dynamic. And as you can see, it now showcases the Shopify product. We can do the same thing for these text elements here on the right. This is a product title. We go to content, dynamic, and then select the title. Price as well. We have the price element, content, dynamic, source, price. Let's also make this color black so it matches better. We have a product description right here. Content, dynamic, product description, and there we go. So now it's time to drag in the all new variant select element. Under product, we can find this element right here, and let's drag this under the review section. And as you can see, it showcases all the different variants that we have created within Shopify right away. So we have shoe size 36 to 45, and we also have a different variant, which is color, because I have a white version and a black version of this shoe. So let's drag in another variant select element right underneath the sizes, and then under option, I can change this to the other variant, which is color. And there we go. Now, this doesn't look pretty yet, but if we preview, we can see that it already works. So if I change this to black, we see the black image, white image, black image. Also within Shopify, I've set that from size 43, the price of the shoe will increase. So if I select size 40, the price stays the same. 41, the price stays the same. But then if I go to 43, the price changes to $129. Now let's customize these variant select elements to make it look more pretty. We can start with the sizes. So let's select this element and then go to options, as you can see right here in the layer panel, and then here on the right we can change different settings. So there's a radius of 99, but I don't want these variants to be nice and round. I want them to be square, so let's change that to 0. And I also want these buttons to be a little bit bigger. I can do that by changing the inside spacing left and right to, let's say, 30. There we go. This looks about right. And then the variant that is active has a blue color. And this is done by default. And as you can see, there's also a interaction active indicated by this blue dot. If we click on this, there's an active trigger. And as you can see, the variant that is active will have a white text color and the fill color will be blue. But in this case, I want the fill color to be black. There we go. And I want to do the same thing for these two options right here. So let's select the options and then change the radius from 99 to 0, inside spacing to 30, and then the active state, I want it to be black. There we go. Now, one thing that's left to do is create a bit more space between these different elements. So let's go back to style. Spacing around only to the bottom 20 pixels. Same for this one right here. Spacing around to the bottom 20 pixels. And there we go. Let's preview again. And as you can see, we have created a nice product section where we can showcase all the different variants that we have created within Shopify. And that's it for this tutorial. So I hope you have a good understanding of this new and exciting feature, and good luck.